welcome back to TubersFunfam. We are diving deep into a smartwatch that honestly feels like it's punching way above its price range. This is the Blackview W90 Pro, and after spending real time with it, testing its features, pushing its battery, and my partner using it as a daily companion, I can confidently say this watch is built for people who want practicality, durability, and premium feel without paying a premium price. So let's break this down. The first thing you notice when you pick up the W90 Pro is the build. Blackview didn't cut corners here. The zinc alloy body gives it a solid, almost rugged feel, and the design still looks elegant enough to use it every day. The metal strap adds an extra touch of class, making it feel more like a high-end watch than a budget smartwatch. And when you turn it on, the 1.43 inches AMOLED display immediately stands out. With a resolution of 466 by 466 pixels, everything looks crisp, vibrant, and easy to read. Whether you are checking notifications, scrolling through menus, or answering a call, the screen quality makes the whole experience feel smooth and premium. Now, let's talk about something that really impressed me: the battery. Blackview packed a massive 900 mAh battery inside this watch. To put it into perspective, most watches in this price range barely reach half of that, and the result is exactly what you expect. More than 20 days of normal use. Yes, 20 days of normal use. That means you can go almost 3 weeks without charging. If you are someone who trains often, travels a lot, or just hates the idea of charging your watch every night, this is a game changer. My partner used it for calls, notifications, workouts, sleep tracking, and still kept going on without showing signs of stress. Speaking of workouts, the W90 Pro is loaded with more than 100 sport modes, and these aren't just basic presets. Whether you are running, cycling, lifting weights, stretching, or doing something more specific, the watch tracks it accurately. The sensors inside are surprisingly reliable. You get heart rate monitoring, SpO2 tracking, and even blood pressure. For a watch at this price, having all three is quite impressive. Talking about price, the Blackview W90 Pro smartwatch has a price tag of 54.99 euros. So it was 79.99 euros and now it's down to 54.99 euros. So this is a really good price. So it's a really budget smartwatch. But the W90 Pro isn't just about fitness. It's also designed to be your everyday assistant. Thanks to the built-in microphone and speaker, you can take Bluetooth calls directly on your wrist. The audio is clear enough for quick conversations, and the watch handles notifications from messaging apps without any issues. It supports 25 languages, so the interface feels accessible no matter where you are from. And with 4 physical buttons, navigating the watch becomes much easier, especially during workouts when touchscreens can get tricky. One thing I really appreciate is the attention to detail. The capacitive screen has anti-sweat treatment, which means it stays responsive even when you are training hard. There is a built-in flashlight, which sounds simple but ends up being incredibly useful in real-life situations. You also get a G sensor, a compass, vibration meter, and magnetic charging that snaps into place easily. These small touches make the watch feel more complete and more reliable for everyday use. At 48.6 by 22 by 14.4 millimeters and weighing around 150 grams, the W90 Pro looks good on the wrist, but you will feel it. It feels substantial, not cheap or hollow. The black gold color option gives you the stylish look that works for both casual and formal settings. And because the strap is steel, it feels durable, comfortable throughout the day. Now, performance. The watch runs on the ATS3085L processor, which keeps everything smooth. Switching through menus, opening apps, switching between sport modes, it all feels responsive. The interface is simple, clean, and easy to navigate, which is exactly what you want on a smartwatch. You don't need a learning curve. Just put it on and start using it. One feature that surprised me is the ChatGPT integration. It's not something that you see often in budget smartwatches, and it adds fun, interactive layer of experience. Whether you want quick answers, reminders, or simple interactions, it's a nice addition that makes your watch feel more modern and connected. After using the W90 Pro for a while, what stands out most is how balanced it is. It's not trying to be most advanced smartwatch on the market. Instead, it's focusing on things that matter: a great display, long battery life, accurate tracking, solid build quality, and useful everyday features. and it delivers all that without any problems. If you are someone that wants a smartwatch that looks premium, lasts for weeks, tracks your workouts properly, and keeps you connected without draining your phone or your wallet, the Blackview W90 Pro is a fantastic option. It's wearable, stylish, and packed with features that generally improves your daily routine. So that's my full experience with the Blackview W90 Pro. If you are thinking about getting one, I will leave a link in the video description so you can check it out. And if you enjoyed this review, don't forget to give this video a like, share with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed, now is the time to subscribe. Thiago here, wishing you guys a lovely day with your friends and family, and I'll catch you in the next one.